Hi, I'm Marna. This is a Dolls Rescue Channel, and today, along with Playful Reborns, J Dolls UK, Dory's Dollies, and Tina's Reborns, and more, we are out with our elves down at our pond, which they think is a lake. You know, think of the size. But our pond is so far down, we need rain bad, that even though normally they'd be about a foot, foot and a half deep, they're on the dirt. So these are my elves out having fun on the beach. This is our backyard. This is our back quarter. We'll just show it off while we're here. We back up to a farmer's field. He planted corn this year. Thank you so much to Jay, Dory, Penny, and Tina. Please go by, be sure to go by and see their videos today and everyone else's that is doing either beach, barbecue, and or fireworks with our elves this month. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.